How are you? I think that you are fine and you are eagerly waiting to watch the multimedia classes, online classes. Dear students, today I will teach you English, class 9 and 10. I will teach you English grammar. Question item: change the following sentence as directed. Change the following sentence as directed. Today I will discuss degree. Degree. Dear students, to change the degree, we have to know at first the definition of degree. What is degree? The comparison of adjective is called degree. You should know the classification of degree. The classification of degree. Dear students, degree each of three kinds. Such as number 1, positive degree. Number 2, comparative degree. Number 3, superlative degree. Degree each of three kinds, such as positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. I think that the classification of degree is clear to you and you can understand me. এখন না আচ্ছা Now, structure of degree. Degree. Positive degree. No other, oblique, very few, plus noun complement plus prepositional phrase plus verb plus s oblique so plus adjective in positive form. Positive form plus s plus nominative case. NB. If the words on of the oblique, then most other. Is used in the sentence to make it positive degree. The sentence must start with very few. But in other cases, the sentence must start with no other. Dear students, structure of degree, you have to notice that positive degree, the sentence start with no other oblique very few, then plus noun complement plus prepositional phrase plus verb plus as oblique so plus adjective in positive form plus as plus nominative case. NB, it is noted that if the words on of the oblique then most other is used in the sentence to make it positive degree, the sentence must start with very few. But in other cases, the sentence must start with no other. So now come to example. Number 1, Akbar. Akbar was one of the greatest kings of India. Positive. Number 2, he was more kindful than any other rulers. On that period. Positive. Number 3, Mumtaz was the dearest wife to his life. Positive. Number 4, Taj Mahal is more wonderful than most other creation created by him. Positive. Dear students, now follow the example please, and how to change them positive degree. There are 4 examples of superlative comparative degree. We have to change them into positive degree. Okay? Now, how to change it? Follow me please. Akbar was one of the greatest kings of India. In this sentence, you can notice that the words, the phrase one of the is present in this sentence. So to make it positive degree, the sentence starts with very few. So we can write in this way, very few. Answer number 1, very few plus noun complement, kings, noun complement, kings. Now prepositional phrase of India, prepositional noun phrase of India. Now verb was, were. Kings plural, so verb to be was, were plural. Verb must be plural. Now as oblique so, as plus adjective in positive form, great, greater, greatest, positive form great. As. Now nominative case, Akbar. Answer, question number 1. Answer has been already completed. So question number 2. He was more kindful than any other rulers on that period. He was more kindful than any other ruler on that period. Dear students, this sentence is in comparative, so we have to make it positive degree. In positive degree, sentence start with very few or no other. We have to mark that there is not the phrase one of the or then most other is not present in this sentence. So the sentence, to make it positive, the sentence start with no other plus noun complement, no other rulers, noun complement rulers, R-U-L-E-R, no other rulers. Then prepositional noun phrase, on that period, prepositional noun phrase. The sentence start with prepositional phrase, that means the phrase that start with preposition and ends with noun. So no other rulers on that period. Now verb was, ruler singular, was singular, subject singular, verb singular. Okay. So oblique as plus adjective in positive form, more kindful, positive form, kindful. As. Now nominative case, subject, he. Now question number 3. Mamata's was the dearest wife to his life. Positive degree. It is in superlative degree. We have to make it positive degree. Dear students, there is the phrase one of the is not present in this sentence. So the sentence starts with no other. No other. No other plus noun complement. Wife. Wife plus verb. Verb to be, was word. No other wife, plus to his wife. Prepositional noun phrase. To his life. To his life. No other wife to his life. Now verb was. Was. Wife singular, was singular. Now as oblique so plus adjective in positive form. Dear. Dear, dearer, dearest, dear. As subject, Mamatas. Number 4. Taj Mahal is more wonderful than most other creation created by him. Dear student, this sentence is also in comparative degree. Now we have to make it positive degree. The positive degree start with no other or very few. There is, the phrase one of the or then most other, most other. Then most other is present in this sentence. So the sentence start with very few to make it positive degree. Very few plus noun complement. Creations. Very few creations. Now phrase, prepositional phrase, created. Created by him. No other creation created by him. Now verb is, creations plural number, verb to be, am is plural are. Very few creations created by him are as. Now adjective in positive form. More wonderful, positive form, wonderful. Wonderful as subject. Nominative case. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Dear student, is it clear to you? The answer that I have given to you, is it clear to you? I think if there is any problem, if you face any problem in writing this answer, you can question me. I think that there is no problem. You face no problem, and the answer you must note on your khata, and then if you want to follow this answer again, you can open your khata and you can already see it and correct it. Now, dear students, homework for you. Iron is the most useful metals on the earth. Positive. Gold is more precious than most other things in the world. Positive. Number C. Tiger is one of the most ferocious beast in the jungle. In the jungle. Positive. Number D. I am weaker than any other student in the class. Positive. Number E. He is the brightest learners in the school. Positive. This is your homework. Dear students, you must complete it at home. And if you want to enjoy this class, again you must search the YouTube. Then you can watch it, enjoy it, and follow it again. Okay? Thank you. Thank you.